Cadets Aguilar, Allen, Contreras, Cruz, Daquan Jones, Daquan Lewis, Thomas Lewis, Demetrius Morgan, John Platt, and Rasan Washington. Please make your way up the stage.
Good morning. While these young adults come forward. So it's my pleasure today, on behalf of the Youth Quest Foundation, is to share in the success of our 3D Think Lab. I'm Allie Page, co-founder of the Youth Quest Foundation. We're very excited about this program we put in place. These young adults got immersed in computer-aided design, 3D printing, and expanded on their critical thinking and design techniques. They spent 36 hours utilizing science, engineering, math, and high-level technology concepts in developing special projects themselves and in a group. This is GC's second cycle to participate in this program, and we're pleased to report that the program has been a tremendous success. These students have been exposed to computer-aided design software, 3D printing techniques, and have been exposed to many other aspects of the technical world that will help them in the future. The cadets spent 8 hours in vocational orientation and visited the University of Maryland's Nano Center. They also visited 3D Systems, which is the manufacturer of these printers. They got to meet with the staff. They got to see how the printers were built and also ask many technical questions of those staff members. They also visited Prototype Productions, a 3D manufacturing facility that manufactures key prototypes. One of those was a rail system for a gun system that reduced the weight by 11 pounds for those soldiers that have to carry it. They also spent 8 hours in community service out there taking their 3D techniques and talking to the community for the U.S. Science and Engineering Fair, in which 140,000 visitors came through. So with that, we'd like to honor these young men and women and what they went through in the 3D printing training that we offered up. So with that,
I'm going to ask Cadet Aguilar to go ahead and make a special presentation, the 3D Think Link class, to Mr. Rodney Scott.
As a token of our appreciation for all that you have done for our class, please accept these custom designed Falcon nameplates for each of the birds that you are currently housing in your bird sanctuary, and one nameplate for your organization. We all enjoy visiting with you and your birds, and we especially like having pictures taken with the falcon perched on our hands. Thank you.
The name tags represented here, like they said, are of the sanctuary birds that Mr. Scott has on ground at the Capitol Gardens Youth Challenge Academy. A picture of one of the falcons was taken flying, and then they used 3D printing to design and make these name tags for you. You're welcome. Thank you all. You may be seated.